Here are some basic car tips that can help ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. Regular maintenance. Regularly servicing your car can prevent breakdowns and keep your vehicle running smoothly. This includes oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Check tire pressure. Checking your tire pressure regularly can help improve fuel efficiency and extend the life of your tires. Keep your car clean. Keeping your car clean can help prevent rust and maintain its appearance. This includes washing the exterior, vacuuming the interior, and cleaning the windows. Avoid aggressive driving. Aggressive driving, such as sudden acceleration and hard braking, can increase fuel consumption and cause wear and tear on your vehicle. Follow traffic laws. Obeying traffic laws and driving defensively can help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe. Use your senses. Pay attention to any unusual smells, sounds, or vibrations coming from your car, as these can be signs of a problem that needs to be addressed. Keep emergency supplies in your car. Always keep emergency supplies, such as a first aid kit, flashlight, and extra water, in your car in case of an unexpected situation. Thanks for watching.